Can you do it?
Do it again.
He's so cute. Go check out where he shits.
That's all I can get out of him, really.